What you making? Just some sort of contraption?
Yeah, except it's not level.
Uh-oh. What you doing, Jack? What are you working on? You show me. You working on that piece of wood? Yeah? Hitting it with your hammer? Yeah? You're being silly, aren't you? This is some of the plywood that I've got, all 1-inch stuff. Another big stack. Here's some pieces that are greater than 1 inch, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. A whole bunch of kind of longer pieces, good for shelving and that sort of thing. Here's some nice 8-footers that I got. Also a lot of the 1 inch. Bunch more of it, so we're in good shape. Just gotta find the time now to make something with it. Jack has all kinds of time. He's my helper. Good job, bud.